We've got something really different today. We're going to make some brisket nachos. This is a great option if you're looking for something to do with that leftover brisket. You can make this whole recipe in about 45 minutes. Now, these aren't going to be just any old nachos. What we're going to use for our chips are barbecued pork rinds. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be tasty. Hope you stay with me. What I got here is a couple tablespoons of bacon grease. Here we have 4 shallots. Okay, just want to get these guys caramelized up a bit. Spend about 3 minutes. Okay, you can see the shallots are caramelizing up. I've got 4 cups of leftover brisket. Okay, I did a sous vide and smoked brisket here the other day. I smoked it for an hour and a half and then I finished it off sous vide. So we're just going to heat this up a little bit, and let this, skillet kind of put some texture on the sides of this brisket. It's probably been 2-3 minutes tops. Starting to get a little crust on this brisket. I've got 1 dark beer, okay? I'm going to put this beer in here. Now, for those of you that don't want to use beer, you can use beef broth. And all I'm going to do is let this alcohol cook off a bit. I'm just after the flavor. Okay, you can see that beer is cooked off quite a bit. All right. Now I've got a 1/4 cup of coffee. I got a 15 ounce or 15.5 ounce, whatever these standard size cans are, of tomato sauce. Okay. What I've got here, 3 tablespoons of adobo paste. And while I'm getting this stirred in, what I've got over here, I'll put the exact measurements down in the description box. But we got some chili powder, cumin, cayenne, paprika, cinnamon, and some kosher salt. Okay, let's get these goodies in there. Oh, you can just look at that. The smell's incredible. All right. Now I've got 3/4 cup of pinto beans and 3/4 cup of black beans. Okay. We've got this all stirred up. I'm going to turn this heat off. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is move this over to the pellet grill. See if we can't get a little smoke on it also. Now it's raining. I'm going to try to be quick about this. I got this guy set on 300 degrees. You can see we got a little smoke. We're going to let it go for about a half hour. While that brisket mixture is getting all rich, what I've got here is 1 diced up tomatillo. This was a huge, huge tomato. So I used half of it. Okay. Got some green onion, about I'd say 1/3 cup, maybe a little bit more. What I've got here, 2 jalapenos. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Then I got a half a lime. Okay. Just going to sprinkle that guy in there. All right. Now after looking at this, I don't think I've got enough. So what I've done here is I took the other half of that tomato, 1 more tomatillo. I'll put the exact amounts down below. About another 1/4 cup of green onion. Now I know we'll have enough salsa. Our 30 minutes are up. Just took our brisket mixture off of that Pit Boss Pellet Grill. You can see it's thickened up some. Smells great. Let's talk about preparing these nachos. Okay. Got a foil pan here. Just put a pan, put foil on it. Got some hot and spicy barbecued pork rinds. That's right. Look, you can use nacho chips if that's what you want to use, or Dorito chips, whatever they're called. But about 2 years ago, I was at a restaurant, Fernandina Beach, Florida, and they had, I think it was pulled pork. I can't remember for sure if it was pulled pork or if actually it could have been brisket. I can't remember. Anyway, it was served up on pork rinds, and it was out of this world fantastic. And we're going to try to do that right here today. Okay? Now, I've got that brisket mixture, right? Just going to cover up these awesome pork rinds. Look, I could eat pork rinds forever. I love them. Okay, you put on as much as you want. Now I've got freshly grated, this is smoked provolone. Okay, and you know, depends on how much you're going to serve this at once. This I've brought over a cup here. I don't know how much we'll use. Probably going to use half a cup or so. And then I'm going to come in with some Wisconsin cheddar. Okay, about the same amount. For this size, a half a cup each will be just fine for you. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Now, we're going to get this back in the pellet grill. Give this 5, 6, 7 minutes until that cheese is melty, and then we're going to serve it up. Okay, it's raining over there in that grill. They've been in there 15 minutes. That's what they look like. All right. So now what I'm going to do is see if I can't get some of these guys off of this foil. Put them over here on this little plate for a picture. All right. No reason for you to put it on a different plate at home. Oh, they smell incredible. Just don't want to burn myself, which I'm pretty good at doing. There we go. There we go. All right, now got our nachos here. What I've got here, chopped bacon. I started out with the pound. I fried it up and then chopped it. I used roughly half, and I say roughly because, well, you know, when you make bacon, you eat some while you're making it. So I can't remember how many pieces I ate. You don't need all this bacon for this, okay? Now, we're going to come back in with that tomatillo, tomato, jalapeno salsa, right, with that lime juice. Can't have too many jalapenos here, guys. Oh yeah, I'm going to get Tammy out here. We're going to do a taste test. Can't wait, can't wait. Taste tester's here. All right. So, as you can see, these guys are a little bit messy. Okay. So I know
they look so good.
I know you're going to want a jalapeno.
Yeah.
And there's a pork rind under there.
Oh, the jalapeno fell off.
Oh, we're here. There, I just washed my hands just a minute ago.
Okay, you want another spoon? There's another spoon.
Yeah, okay. Let me get one.
I'm so excited.
I gotta find a pork rind. They're down in here. Here's one. Okay, I'm gonna take a big bite.
Cheers.
All right.
Uh-oh, he fell off.
The
Back on
jalapeno?
there. Oh, Lord. These are delicious. They're like delectable.
If you're wondering, the pork rinds still have some crunch to them.
They do.
There's some crisp to them, and they're not all soggy, fall apart. Of course, if you wanted it to be even crunchier, you can use those thick corn-style chips.
Wow.
There is spice. You know, we put cayenne,
Wow, they're delicious.
chili powder, and then of course we have the jalapenos. But
I can taste the cumin.
Yep. We put cumin in there.
Wow, so good.
The tomato.
The
and that,
tomatillo.
Tomatillo?
Tomatillo.
Toma? Yeah, that green thing.
Tomatillo. They're so delicious.
Awesome.
You did so good. I'm going to keep you because you cook. You did so good. I think this might be the best thing you've ever made.
Really?
Yes, I love this.
It's delicious.
It's delicious. And I've never tasted pork rinds before.
Oh, yes, you never had pork rinds. Here.
Never.
Here. You need to try one by itself.
Oh, I don't know.
Never had a pork rind before.
It's better with your concoction.
Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. If you're not subscribed already, I hope you hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching.